So in this MacBook tutorial video, I will be showing you how to edit trackpad tracking speed here on the MacBook. So when you open up your MacBook, I want you guys to go into the top left, press on the Apple logo, then go to System Settings. So once you're on the System Settings page, which I'm on right here, I want you to scroll down a little bit here to where you're on the keyboard page. And right below that, it says Trackpad. Go ahead and select that. So once trackpad is selected, there's a bunch of different options here. I want you guys to go to where it says point and click. And then where it says tracking speed right here, you can go ahead and slide this bar to the right or to the left. So if you slide it to the right, obviously your trackpad will be a little bit more sensitive. If you were to go ahead and slide it to the left, it's going to be less sensitive. I believe mine was set to this speed right here, which I'm comfortable with. You can go ahead, do what you got to do. And once that's all good, you can kind of see it that way. You can also check or edit your click speed as well. But if you just want to go ahead and edit your tracking speed, it's right here. And you can slide it up and down this bar between fast and slow. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit trackpad tracking speed on the MacBook. Thanks again for watching. And I hope this video helps.